I'm delighted that we will be celebrating European Cooperation Day for the first time this September. Hundreds of events will be taking place across Europe on the 21st September and throughout that week. This will be a great opportunity to recognize how territorial cooperation helps to bring Europeans closer together, share ideas across borders and solve common problems. I recently visited several of the countries that are participating in the EU strategy for the Danube region. I was able to see for myself the difference that cooperating across borders is making there. In our proposals for the next period of the European Union regional funding, we have called for increased territorial cooperation. This means that we will have more resources and a stronger basis for action in the future. I am very impressed that so many European territorial cooperation programs and external cooperation programs have decided to participate in this year's European Cooperation Day. I urge you to get involved and to find out what is happening in your region this September.